Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-406N-, it's PoE powered, so a PoE, and it's a flush mount stainless, and this is 316L, and it's gasketed, so it gives it an IP66 rating. Customer is not going to be using it as a time of day clock. They're going to be using it as a countdown timer. So they wanted to send the code for it to start, stop, to set it through the network, data driven. So it's a data driven type, it's just a timer. And they're going to be using it for a TV show. And I wanted to show you not only the clock, but how it works, functions, how to send code to it. So right now I've got it up here, over here on the laptop. I've got the IP setup, and this is specific to our clocks, and you can get the IP setup off of our blog page, or you can get it from our website. Just type in IP-setup and you'll get the code, and it's a free downloadable code. If you don't want to or have IT find the IP address of this unit. And so I've gone ahead and opened up the IP setup program and found the MAC address on it. And I'm going to go ahead, and it has a button here that says launch web page. I'm going to go ahead and launch the web page for this unit. And currently it's counting down seconds, and then minutes, seconds, tenths, hundredths. Now we can make it go hours, minutes, and seconds also through sending this same serial string. I want to go ahead and show you the back side of this and give you kind of an idea of what we got. So this is PoE and Ethernet. It's all on one cable. The data is. Of our Ethernet card, we've got a gasketed enclosure that's going to seal it to your wall, and then the 316 stainless front, or it's a flush front. So I'm going to go ahead and lean that back up here, so hopefully it won't. I'm going to go ahead and show you this is the command page. Now you can go into the setup and set up your, right now we set it out static DHCP, and then you can set up your address, your subnet mask and all that, and give it a static IP. The protocol, TCP protocol, we've got it set up for use UDP instead of TCP, just a lot faster. It's your preference. I'm going to go back to the home page. Okay, so right now, and this specific clock, or this specific timer, is for timer down only. So the code will always be TD for this one. So I'm going to go ahead and put in TD and stop. We're going to stop what we're doing right now. So TD, and it's all capped. And and then the next digit is the functionality of it. So we have 0, that's set and hold the value. We have 1, set and start. We have 2, so we want 2. And I believe if I just enter that, nope, it won't do it. TD 2, and then I have to put in my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you got to give an address. So the wildcards are star, star. So I'm going to put in star, star, and stops. So I really didn't have to put in anything after it's whatever digits come in after the 2. It's going to ignore us. It's going to see the stop. We're going to go ahead and set it for a new time and start. Okay. So TD as before. Let me click on the window here. TD as before. And we want to set and start the timer. Okay. So we're going to put in a 1. And this protocol is also on our website. If you go to any of the, now this is what we consider a static multifunction display, but if you go to any of the multifunction displays, so you got digital static number displays, and if you go to the network key or the category, any one of these will have the protocol. So I just went to the DC-406N-T-DN-Stainless-Flush, clicked on that more info page, and the protocol is down here in the body of the tech notes, and here you see it says network data protocol. Click on that and the protocol will come up, and this is exactly what I have right here and what I'm going by. I'm going to go ahead and go back to our web page. Let's just go through some of the functions, all of the functions for the T-down timer. So I wanted to go through and show you each function that's available to you. So TD is always our starting 2 bytes, okay? And we have 0 that's set and hold, we have 1 that's set and start, we have 2 that's pause timer, and we have 3 that's resume timer. And I'll go through each one of these in detail. So let's do set and hold. So we got TD, and that's the first letter, first 2 characters. 0, it is our next byte, which is set and hold value. So let's do, we always have to put in 6 numerals and then 2 characters for our broadcast channel. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? And then we need to put in, well, wildcards. We'll put in 2 wildcards, which is star, and that broadcasts to everybody that's on this specific line, that's on the specific code. So there you have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We set and held the value. Okay, well, let's set and start. So we'll do the same thing. Well, first 2 characters is TD. 1 is the next byte, the number 1. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. And then we'll do our star for our address, our 2 address code, and hit send. And then it'll start counting down. So we loaded, this is 12 hours, 34 minutes, and 50 some seconds. Well, let's say we just want to do minutes and seconds, okay? So we'll put in TD, same 2 first characters. We'll put in 1, and then we'll put in 00 first, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So that's 12 minutes and 34 seconds. And then we hit the two address wildcards, star. We can put in AA, BB, CC, AB, CD, all that. Also, that's all available. But for now, we're just going to do 2 wildcards. Send. Now you see 12 minutes, 30 some seconds, and 10 hundredths. Okay, well, let's pause that. Okay, so we really don't have to enter all those numbers again, just to pause it, but we do need to enter the address. So let's put in TD, first 2 characters. Let me highlight the TD, and then we want to pause, which is 2, the numeral 2, and then we're going to put in our 2 address characters, which is star, and press send. And it's paused it. Okay, we're done with waiting. We're going to resume that countdown. Okay, TD, and then we're going to put in the numeral 3, and then we're going to send star again, our wildcard characters. Hit send, and then it resumes. So as you can see, the set and hold, the set and start both need all 6 digits after your first command character, or what you want the functionality of it to do. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital. Thank you for watching.